Hello, this is Jenny from Medsun Power. As the world continues its transition toward renewable energy sources and environmentally friendly practice, home energy storage has gained significant popularity. This system, typically powered by lithium-ion batteries, allow homeowners to store their excess energies generated from solar panels or other renewable sources for use during peak demand or when sun isn't shining. However, just like any other technology, lithium home energy storage batteries can encounter charging issues. In today's discussion, we will explore lithium battery charging principle, charging process, and common problems that prevent this battery from charging, and offer practical solutions to address these concerns. The charging principle for lithium batteries involves a controlled flow of electrical current into battery to reverse chemical process that occur during discharge. Here are the typical charging modes for lithium-ion batteries. First, constant current mode. In the initial stage of charging, the charger supplies a constant current to the battery. This mode helps rapidly to charge the battery until it reaches a certain voltage threshold. For example, a 100 Ah capacity battery has a termination charge voltage of 3.65 volt. If this battery is charged at a constant current of 50 amp, 0.5 C charging rate, during this time, the battery voltage has increased significantly. Second, constant voltage mode. When the voltage of the battery cell approaches 3.65 volt, the charger switches to 3.65 constant voltage mode. During this phase, the charger maintains a constant voltage while allowing the charging current to gradually decrease. This prevents overcharging and minimizing the risk of overheating. Now we have a basic understanding of the charging principle and process of batteries. During use, some customers might encounter the problem that the battery won't charge. What's the cause of this? One of the main reasons why lithium battery won't charge is related to the issues with battery charger. Charger-related issues could be attributed to the following aspects. First, charger doesn't match. If the charger voltage is outside the acceptable range of lithium batteries, it might not initiate the charging process, or it will trigger the safety mechanism to prevent charging due to the risk of overcharging and other potential risks to lithium batteries. Therefore, ensuring that the charger is compatible with the specific lithium-ion batteries you are using is crucial to facilitate proper and safe charging. Second, charger failure. Sometimes the charger itself might be faulty. To identify these issues, try using a different compatible device or an alternative charger. In addition, ensure that the power supply is delivering a consistent flow of electricity. Third, the battery protection status or battery low temperature, such as 0 degree. The charger doesn't have low temperature activation function. At this time, you will need to use a charger with low temperature activation function to charge your batteries, or a charger need to be able to directly bypass the BMS to charge your batteries. When after the battery voltage return to above the BMS protection value, use the charger to charge the battery directly. However, if we can prevent over-discharge when we use, it can best protect the batteries. To achieve this, Medsun's batteries are equipped with a BMS designed to safeguard against over-discharge. For instance, in a battery comprising by 3.2 volt cells, if the voltage of a single cell drops as low as 2.5 volt, the BMS will intervene by cutting off the discharge process. This measure ensures the safety and longevity of the battery. Third, BMS fail. If your BMS is old, corrupt, or infected with virus, no charger will be able to charge your batteries. In our tutorial introduction to the role of MOSFET, we know that MOSFET or BMS has switching characteristics, including a charging switch and a discharging switch. When BMS fails, this function might not be realized, causing the batteries cannot be charged. At this time, we need to contact the supplier to replace a BMS or BMS enter protection status, causing charging to fail to be activated. As mentioned above, to solve these problems, the charger and inverter need to have a low temperature activation function. Third, voltage or damaged charging cable or port. A damaged charging cable or port can also prevent a lithium battery from charging. Inspect the battery contacts for physical damage, swelling, corrosion, and examine the cable for any sign of wear or damage. If problem exists, please replace the cable or repair the port to ensure. Lithium batteries are amazing power sources, but they can also face charging problems due to various factors. By understanding these common issues and their solutions, you can ensure the proper charging and longevity of the lithium battery. Whether it is a charger problem, cable issues, excessive discharge, or a BMS fail, addressing the root cause will help you to keep your devices and energy storage system running smoothly. But it's all I would like to share with you today. See you next time. Bye.